Hi friends, welcome to new video. In this video I'm going to show a special unique Holi concept photo editing tutorial. Okay, first of all you have to open PicsArt directly with your model image. Make sure it is portrait. Now simply add the PNGs one by one. Okay, simply follow my video. I will give every PNG link, background link, everything in the link in the description. Okay, you have to simply download by using that link and follow my video. Okay, simply follow what I am doing and simply copy what I am doing for your image, so you can also edit your images like you seen in thumbnail. Okay, it exactly I will edit same. Okay, now simply follow my video till the end. Okay, every page I will give link in the description. Friends, photo editing in PicsArt is completed. Now we have to take this image to the Lightroom application. See you there. Now open Lightroom application. Now we have to start editing. Okay, it is a simple procedure. All you have to do is you have to download this preset. I will give this preset link in the description. And you have to copy the preset settings and you have to paste the preset settings to your model image. Okay, that's it. This will make everything pop out on your face. Okay, and the colors will be pop out and it will look very attractive. And you have to do little adjustment further. Okay. Friends, this is the end of the video. I hope you all like this video. Please consider like, subscribe friends. Okay, if you really enjoy this tutorial, please consider like the video and subscribe to our channel. Tap on bell icon. You will get the notification. See you in new video with new concept photo editing tutorial.